In terms of the Answers project, the main goal of it is to help transfer expertise and knowledge from surgeons here in the UK to others all around the world really. And so the primary goal is to improve the outcomes for reconstructive surgeries related to female anatomy. Our role in the project is to deliver a phantom device that can help that teaching and training process.
So I think tools that are using modern technology to 3D reproduce anatomical structures is probably going to be the future of surgical training. With the way medicine's going, there's less access to direct operating. The training modules are changing, and it's a way to get some early exposure to surgical training without having to be in a hospital environment. And I think it'll be really good for testing, surgeons' ability, in addition to academic ability, testing their technical ability. And it will be applicable to every range from a very junior surgeon up to very senior surgeons, depending on the complexity of the models.
In terms of the need for this device, there's currently nothing out there on the market. And the idea is that we're going to run this as part of a training program and take several surgeons through the process of learning how to perform these different reconstructive surgeries, going through different scenarios with the experts here running that course. And so what we're going to do is hopefully, with having this extra practice on these different devices, being able to break down the problem into all of its complexity by working with this multi-layered phantom model. The idea is that this would improve the outcomes for the patients, but also for the surgeons in terms of the quality of their training. The types of contacts and things that we made through our original EPCC project led to a lot of different ideas of where this work could be translated and move into. So in terms of the IAAs, what they do, it affords you that chance to do that early stage work to see if you can transfer some of that knowledge to create more impact. And I think without this type of funding, a lot of these projects wouldn't happen, and the opportunities which are now arising to build on projects like this just wouldn't come around without this type of funding.